Welcome to South Flagler House. Today, we're going to give you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the construction progress to date.
Here we are standing on the 5th floor, which is our first residential level that overlooks the 4th floor amenity spaces that will connect the two Robert A.M. Stern towers.
Standing here in front of our mock-up. Got natural stone walls and then a few of our window conditions also.
We're standing on the 7th floor of the South Tower in one of the residences. And as you can see, you have incredible views of the Atlantic Ocean, Worth Avenue, and the Palm Beach docks.
It's amazing how fast we're moving. We're poured through the 11th floor of the South Tower, and we're scheduled to be topped out with both towers by the end of 2025.